dogs barking on top of the mountain. This is Lake Balinsasayaw.
Sasayaw?
Yes, this is B1. B1 over here, so kulit.
Ayun pa yung anak aking mahay. Dali ka na sa mahayangan namin.
Lagi daw ah.
Basta na pa na tindugan na sa mahayang.
Anak lang ka, diya lang kabe. Wala, nag-ulan na no. Nagtaligsik. Okay, smile everybody. Merlo, at si Bree, and Daddy. Daddy, look at me. And B1. B1 is here. And Mommy is also here. And Manong. What's your name, Manong? Say bang Ronaldo? Wow, si Manong. Manong Reynaldo. Okay. This is Lake Balinsasayaw again. See the fog over there.
Mommy, go.
Wait, baby. Fog. The fog is also
Stand up, Raka. Stand up.
Okay. That's okay. So scary. But nothing underwater, only fishes, according to Manong Reynaldo.